Imagine a cool dissolve shader that dissolves left to right, or top to bottom, or even diagonally. Well, let's take a look at how we do this. So we're going to add a shader on our sprite 2D. It's a canvas item shader type, which means it's a 2D shader. We're going to do 4 uniforms so we can export out to our inspector and access in code. A dissolve texture that's going to allow us to assign a texture in the inspector. The dissolve value, 0 means dissolve, 2 means fully there. We have a burn size. That's how thick this orange is that we're burning. And then we have our burn color that gives the burn there. We're going to do a void fragment, which means this is going to run on every pixel. We sample our main texture here, the sprite that the shader's applied to. We sample the noise texture, the texture we assigned in the inspector. And then here's where we do the math on whether we're burning left to right. We can change this to Y, and we burn top to bottom. And we can even do some math here with the UVX and the UVY that allows us to do that diagonal burn. Right here, we're basically clamping it to say that we only burn when the threshold is less than 2 or greater than 0, so that it only burns when we're transitioning from visible to invisible, so it's not still trying to show burn when it's fully dissolved, nor is it trying to show burn before it. So basically clamps it to less than 0 or greater than 0 and less than 2. Here we calculate which pixels are being disappeared. 1 is visible, 0 is invisible. Here we do the same thing with the border. We apply the threshold to the alpha so it knows which pixels to show and which ones not to show. And then this right here mixes that burn color with the main texture color. And that's how we do the dissolve with a burn.